Hi flower fans and welcome. I'm Charmaine Turbow here at Turbow Farms in Zone 9B in Los Altos, California. I'm going to share with you our top 5 roses. So come along, let's go smell some roses.
Coco Loco. This lovely beauty has made a roaring comeback. Milk chocolate meets lavender with dusty rose undertones, making it one of the most trendiest roses when it comes to wedding work. Charlene of Monaco. Certainly my farm favorite rose. She is prolific, blooms reliably, and has excellent vase life. She unfurls with cupped scalloped edges in a beautiful soft blush cream pink color. Fun in the sun. Her name says it all. This is where I imagine a rose with soft apricot hues, much like a creamsicle, and say it gets kissed by the sun, yielding hints of blush pink. Her blooms are clustered and medium-sized, making her a versatile rose for any floral design work. Now I know all of you are wondering about our beloved David Austins. There are a few that I absolutely love. Jubilee Celebration and Lady of Shallot are on the top of our list. These beauties boast in petal count and, of course, their scent. David Austins may not last as long in the vase as conventional roses, but their beauty is worth it. So be sure to harvest only from established plants and utilize good harvesting practices such as cutting in the early morning, use a water or transport storage additive, and rest your roses in a cool, dark spot before handling. Be sure to also harvest roses in a late bud stage when petals are about to unfurl to maximize their vase life.
Thanks for joining us flower fans and stopping to smell, there's a bee there, the roses with me. I'm Charmaine Turbow here in Zone 9B at Turbow Farms. Like our video, subscribe to our channel, and keep watching us as we grow our microflower farm with you.